Step into the 2011 Chrysler 300C. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: advanced multi-stage frontal airbags, driver inflatable knee airbag, enhanced accident response system, front seat mounted side airbags, HomeLink universal transceiver, park view rear backup camera, Alpine premium 6-speaker audio system, auto-dimming interior rear view mirror, automatic dual-zone climate control system and Bluetooth connectivity. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.